Introducing Maespresso 58 Pro. A new species come to the espresso world. Bring a whole new experience to espresso making and more flavor discovery. No dosing funnel is needed for ground catching. Dosing ranges from 16 to 22 grams. Magnetic distribution tool. Easy to take out and start distributing. 58.3mm stainless steel flat tamper for easy and level tamping. Innovative thermal silicone cup for easy preheating. Max volume 80 ml. Not just for espresso. You can do more extraction experiments with different liquids. Ready for effortless pressure profiling. You can use gas cartridge to pressurize. Make your own pressure profile to explore the best flavor of your coffee beans. Or you can connect the machine with an air pump and use the air pump to pressurize. Either way, you can always enjoy a good shot of espresso. It's super easy to clean the portafilter in 3 steps. With quick disconnect design, Maespresso 58 Pro offers more portable options for outdoor. It can be more portable and easy to store.